I am right here at Beale Street. Well, we are here. We are in Memphis. It is just after 7 a.m. I don't have much time in the city, so we're gonna have to make the most of it. Walk out of the Amtrak station and look what's right behind me. The Loraine Motel. This is a notable site because this is where Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated. Let's check it out more. Absolutely wild. Right behind me, right there, room 306, that ledge was exactly where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was shot and assassinated. They believe that the bullet came from one of those buildings over here. To be in a moment in history, to be standing right here, to be able to witness this historical site, wow, is the first thing that I'm doing in Memphis. It truly is breathtaking. Now it's turned into the National Civil Rights Museum. It's hard to tell because it's so early in the morning, so not a lot is really happening yet, but Memphis seems like a really fun city. It's giving me like such blues vibes that everything kind of is remaining in the 1960s, and so far I'm absolutely loving how the culture's still there. I know right here at Beale Street, the most famous street in Memphis. It's where we got all of the music, all the livelihood. It is 7:30 in the morning, so we're not gonna be having much. As you can see, the city behind me is pretty empty at the moment, but especially come lunchtime, that'll start to be more vibrant. On this edge of Beale Street, we got a lot more of the bars. Definitely must get absolutely wild and chaotic on the weekend. See this, which is really cool. Right behind me, we got Beale Street. And then if we just run a little bit, we got the FedEx Forum, home of the Memphis Grizzlies. The fact that it's literally right here, and you got Beale Street there, and all these restaurants. Oh my God, the pregame atmosphere must be insane. Beale Street is going wild right now. Music playing from every restaurant. You got people singing, and it's literally the middle of the day. I mean, it's lunchtime now. I can't imagine what this place is like on a Friday and Saturday night. Oh, I wish I was here on that to experience the nightlife. Here it is, the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid in Memphis, Tennessee. It's actually the 7th largest pyramid in the world. Here you can buy your fishing and hunting gear. You can buy camping, RVs. You can even go to a riflery range here. There are restaurants in this store and a hotel. That is how crazy this mega superstore is. Let's check it out. Turning out to be such a beautiful day. We got the sun shining right there. I'm in short sleeves now. It's gonna get to 80 degrees. I am so thrilled about this because yesterday in Chicago, it was chilly, it was rainy, especially towards the end of the day. So this is such a refreshing feeling. I'm definitely gonna be sweating. It's a great day to get a great view of the Mississippi River. I mean, it's sunny out. You can't ask for better weather than this. So right now I am on the Tennessee side of the river. That right there, that land across the river, that is part of Arkansas. Hello, Arkansas. Look at this one. This one's a beauty. So now I'm going to be having lunch at the Rendezvous, which apparently is the most famous barbecue restaurant place in all of Memphis. So we got Beale Street behind me, and I'm going to give you my review of the Rendezvous. So I ordered this nice half rack of ribs, 5 ounces of brisket with all this dry rub sauce on it, barbecue sauce that absolutely smothered it. We had this very thick potato salad, this very thick slaw, and combined, wow, it was such a good meal. It came out to be around $36, probably like 2,500 calories. And overall, the ribs I thought were nothing special. That's what they're known for there. I didn't think it was anything crazy. But once you were able to add the barbecue sauce onto it with the oils combination, that's when you really actually got flavor out of it. The brisket, on the other hand, I thought that was really good. The potato salad and slaw, I'm not usually a fan of potato salad or slaw, but both of those absolutely phenomenal. So overall, I think that, you don't necessarily have to go to the Rendezvous if you are in Memphis. You could go to any of these restaurants on Beale Street, but yeah, if you do go to the Rendezvous, have some ribs, have some brisket. Overall, great meal. While Beale Street may be where everything happens, Main Street still has a long strip of restaurants. The trolley runs along here, and it's still such a great place to walk. Also, one thing I want to point out is that I've been now to 3 cities in 4 days, and they have all had very different feels. Milwaukee has been very different from Chicago, which is very different from Memphis. So that's been so cool to be able to kind of see the comparisons between all of them and seeing the different cultures within America itself. Check out this pedestrian bridge that I found. It's going to take me somewhere over there, not towards Arkansas, but there's this little island called Mid-Island that's on the Mississippi that is halfway between Tennessee and Arkansas, but it's still considered Tennessee. So my time in Memphis is finally over. Today felt like a really quick day, but I feel like I've still got a lot out of the city. I'm currently now at the bus station and heading to the airport. I'm at the airport now and I have just gone through security. Time to head back to New York after my day in Memphis. And wow, I am very thankful that I came to the city. I wouldn't have stayed here much longer, but for 1 or 2 days, Memphis is a phenomenal city to get the chance to see. So you guys know how I ate at Rendezvous for lunch today? Look, in the airport, I see their barbecue sauce and their famous seasoning. Honestly, I should bring some home and buy some. I think I'm gonna do that.